Hi, it's Tom from Dignity Lifts. Are your arms droopy, like they're hanging down like this? I'm going to show you how to fix that. So, as you know, this pin, if we look at this, goes into this slot. This piece here is going to go into a slot, and it goes forward and down. If it doesn't go down, you end up with droopy arms. So make sure that the pin, take the pin out and make sure the arm has fallen down into that spot. See how this gap here is very small? If it's not, if it's up here like this, your arm is gonna droop because the pin will be like this. So in and down, it should fall into place, and then you put the pin in and then attach it here. So that's the solution to droopy arms. I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching. I'm Tom from Dignity Lifts. Let me know if you need any help.